2024 draw taking place here in Nairobi. I want us to first take a look at the highlights from the draw that was done at the KCC grounds before getting to hear the reactions from different stakeholders on what that means to their different teams.
More exciting to be here in these three countries because we know that in these three countries they are very good in clubs. You know, they have good clubs in champion leagues in Tanzania, in Kenya, some in Uganda also. So the competition here is going to be attractive. People will, I mean, what we're expecting the more.
Well, of course, some of the highlights are from the draw that was done at the KCC grounds yesterday. Now, let's take a look at the groups from that draw. Yesterday, we begin with Group A. This is the group where Team Kenya is. And of course, Team Kenya is in a group that people feel is a bit, or rather, the group of death. So let's take a look at the groups. Group A has Kenya, Morocco, we have DR Congo, we do have Angola and Zambia. That is Group A of CHAN 2024 that is being played in 2025. Arguably, the group of death. Now, let's move to Group B. And in Group B, we do have Tanzania, who are also the co-hosts of this tournament. We do have Madagascar, Mauritania, Burkina Faso, and Central African Republic. That is all in Group B. Now, in Group C, we also have the other co-hosts. That is Uganda, and then you have Niger, Guinea, and then the two teams that will play in that qualifier will be in this group that is in Group C. Let's take a look at Group D. We have the defending champions Senegal, and then you have Congo, Sudan, and Nigeria. Yes, Group D has only 4 teams, while the other 3 groups have 5 teams. Now, let's move away from the draws. We go into the reactions of